Hello, this is Bill Hauweisen, and this is the first of several videos to show you how to use our new family genealogy website. Follow me on my screen, which is what you're viewing right now, and we'll show you about the website and how to get started. This first video has three purposes. The first one is to introduce you to newlakehouse.org. Next, we're going to introduce you to the software that we're using in newlakehouse.org, and that's called the Next Generation, or TNG. And finally, the third thing we'll show you in this first video is how to request a login to use the system. newlakehouse.org. Why is it called New Lake House? This genealogical site contains family history for many bloodlines. It contains it for all the Hauweisens. It contains it for my mother's side of the family, which would be the Meyerholtzes. It contains it for Jan's father's side of the family, the Fernies, and it contains it for Jan's mother's side of the family, which are the Wagners. And it wouldn't be appropriate to name the website after any one bloodline, since it might confuse everyone else. So we've chosen a neutral name, the name of our summer cottage on an island in Lake Huron, and we call our website New Lake House. And remember, it's .org, not .com. The Next Generation is the software that we have selected to use on our website. There are many software systems available to genealogists. You may have heard of some of the more common ones like Family Tree Maker or perhaps Roots Magic, and there are many others as well. We've chosen the Next Generation, which is also called TNG, for a variety of reasons. First of all, it's web-based. So whether you're using a laptop, a tablet, or a desktop, you don't need to buy or install anything or any software. It's all on the web. Secondly, this software system is interactive, and you'll learn in future videos how to explore all kinds of information that we're putting in the website to build our family history text. And finally, TNG is essentially bug-free and very robust. It's been around for a long time, and as you use it from day to day, I hope you will find, as I have, that there are not many surprises. So at this point, I'm going to change our screen to a browser, and I'll be showing you how to find New Lake House, and then how to log in and request a login ID. So you're looking at now my browser, and up in the top left-hand corner, if you follow my cursor up, I'm going to delete the URL that was in there, and that just simply gives me a blank screen, and I'm going to type www.newlakehouse.org, newlakehouse.org, and hit the enter key. And what you see on the screen now is the Fernie and Hauweisen family history site. And before we do anything on this site, I want to call your attention to scaling the screen so that you'll be able to see all of the possible areas where you may want to click with your mouse on the screen. So you'll notice that I have a purple border all the way around the white enclosure, and please hold down your control bar and use the roller bar on your mouse and adjust this website until you can see purple all the way around the edge. That guarantees as we move forward that you'll be able to see everything that you should see on the website. These little purple dots with the right marked caret are all the different kinds of information that we'll be able to get at once we log on to our family history site. But before we do that, I want to show you how to request a user account. So I'm going to take my mouse over to the right side over here, and you'll see 4 of the little purple squares, and the bottom one is register for a user account. So I'm going to click that on, and you get the same form if you do that I have right now. And I'm going to set up just a fake new user account, but you can certainly understand how to do this and put your own information in the same way. First of all, you need a username. So if I am Bob Smith, I might do B, S-M-I-T-H, all in small lowercase letters. And for a password, I'm going to propose to use a password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now don't you use an obvious password like that because it's too easy for people to guess what it might be. And I'm going to delete this user once I complete this process. So I'm going to put the password again, in this case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'm going to use the tab key to move down again, and it says your real name. So I'm going to put Bob Smith. And for the phone number, please provide the information that's requested here, because from time to time we might want to advise you of something, and a telephone is certainly the fastest way to do it. So I'm going to put in here, in parens, our area code and then the phone number, and you can see obviously I'm using a pretend phone number there as well. The email address, let's say it's bsmith@jump.com, and I'll put that in again. And if you have a website, you can certainly put that in there, but Bob Smith does not have a website, so we'll just skip that. Address is 123 Maple Avenue, Anytown, OH for Ohio, and zip 44444. Country, you don't need to put anything in there, but we can certainly put USA. And under notes or comments, you could just say something like, "Hi Bill, I'm logging in," or requesting an ID. You don't have to put anything there, obviously. And then when you get all done, you click the submit button. And when you do, this information will be sent to Jan and me, and one of us will authorize your login ID. And the login ID is what you will use first each time you come on to the family history site to get into the database where all the information and the pictures and the documents are contained. So right now, as you're completing this again, be sure to write down your username and your password. And even though the email that we send back to you will authorize that username and that password, just keep track of it for yourself until you get that email back from us. Remember, be very careful in typing your email address, because that email address is automatically the one that will be used to return the information regarding your login and your access. So we have completed the assignment for the first video, and that is to get you the information you need to get started with the family history site and get your login so that you can gain access to the information. I hope you found this useful, and we'll have a second video ready for you when you have finished this one.